Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Feathered omens. Even the sweetest bird harbors fierce intentions. Self-deceit, illusion, secret. Your capacity to move through the day is okay, regardless of what others may think. That's a good reminder. The goal of letting go is the elimination of the very source of all suffering and pain. All negative feelings stem from the same source. When enough negative feelings have been relinquished, that source reveals itself. When that source itself is let go of and disidentified with, the ego dissolves. The source of suffering, therefore, loses the very basis of its power. Number 1, a time to remember. Look back on your childhood. "19. Reconnect. Reach out and touch someone. The heart wants connection. Pick up the phone or meet up with a long-lost friend or family member. Who will you be calling?" And the animal card today, Peacock. Vibrancy. You were born to shine and inspire. Practice humility to avoid jealousy. Be grateful for life, and more good things will come. Be true to yourself and recognize your brilliance. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. "I have so much of you in my heart." Sweet. "I'll never forget the first day we started talking." Do you have anyone like that in your life? I hope so. "Easy to judge the mistake of others. Difficult is to recognize your own mistakes." Buddha. "Whatever you do, don't get stuck on the one thing that ruins your day. Life is too short. Let it go." All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.